Welcome to How to Play 3-Player War. To play, you will need a 52-card deck and 3 players. Each player is dealt 17 cards, 1 card at a time. The remaining card is set aside and not used in this game. Players will keep their cards in a face-down stack without looking at them. The object of the game is to win all the cards. Each player will flip the top card of their stack face up into the middle. The player with the highest ranking card will win all the cards in the middle. The cards are ranked with the aces being the highest down to the twos being the lowest. Going back to the game that was dealt earlier, the game will begin with each player playing the top card of their stack face up into the middle. Diana flipped the highest ranking card with the 10 and will take all the cards from the middle. The game continues with each player playing their next card in their stack face up into the middle. Wade takes the cards here with the highest ranking card of 9. Players will continue to play. When 2 cards played to the middle are the same rank, a war is triggered. All players will play a card from their stack face down into the middle, then play the next top card from their stack face up to the middle. The player with the highest ranking card here wins all the cards in the middle. Wade wins the cards here. If all 3 cards played to the middle are the same rank, players will play 2 cards face down to the middle, then a face-up card. When a player runs out of cards, they are out of the game. The last player with cards in the game is the game winner. Peter wins this game. If you enjoyed learning how to play 3-player war, and you are curious about other games, our channel is your go-to spot for fun, easy-to-follow tutorials. Check out the collection of videos to find your next favorite game.